and I will be your guide for today. And today we will be discovering birds from all over the world. Alright, now everyone, welcome to Bird Paradise in Singapore. This park is home to 3,500 birds, over 400 alien species. Any more birds? Okay, look at that. Birds are one of the largest people family, and he is about 10 years old.
That was a nice flat down, everyone. This is Kate.
And if you want to see what happens from inside, everyone take a look at the screen.
What's that? Oh, that's
Crickets. Very cute cat right there. And this time, Quincy is going to impress all of you even further by doing the high-tech sound, the telephone.
That was impressive. Now, when parrots copy sounds in the wild, they are mimicking their family members. But when they start picking up animal or human sounds, they're simply mimicking what they hear around them.
That's right, and in this case, Quincy's and Amigo's family will be the mandai star.
Hello, mandai star.
Okay, ready? Okay, everyone ready? Let's go!
They have 2 toes in front and 2 toes at the back. This gives them the strength and stability to hop up and down branches. Now in Borneo, which is one of the places where these species of hornbills have been found,
joining us on our adventure and happy birthday!
bye-bye everyone!
Bye-bye. So you got 6 people.
Wow. Those are real.
Oh my god, AI generated.
Oh my god. Oh, is that pink enough for you?
as the landscape changes of all mountain goats. Adult male markhors have impressive spiral-shaped horns. Markhors are endangered. Some spotted deer. These are the axis deer or cheetah. When alarmed, they produce a loud barking call. Hind legs are shorter than their front legs, giving them a strange gait. But this helps them run long distances. But the natural habitat is disappearing. Now they are restricted to a very tiny area of India, the northwestern part of the country, in Gujarat. The few that remain in the wild today are found in a wildlife preserve in the Gir Forest Sanctuary. They currently exist in the wild.
There's really no barrier.
Submerged, using their long nose as a snorkel. Malayan tapirs are endangered. We are proud to have successfully bred this charismatic species to help the prince saw a strange, unknown animal and assumed it was a lion. What he really saw remains a tantalizing age. They leave the herd to live independently. The bull elephant on our right is Samwira. His name means warrior in the Malay language. He was born in 2001 and raised here at Night Safari. It can weigh over 3 tons. Observe the bumpy texture the animal.
A transformation